Hello and welcome to another video of Faraway. Alright guys, we're going to continue with the Nissan 350Z. These are some miscellaneous parts, and yes, I am going to repaint the hood. Not because it came out bad, but because it fell. It fell when I brought it outside so it can dry, and there was a gust of wind and knocked it down. So, got to repaint it. Let's just get to it. This is one of the doors. This is where all the scratches were. Luckily, there was no dents in the hood. So let's just repaint it, redo it, and let's get started. Right, first of all, I'm gonna start mixing the sealer, and I am gonna use some DTM primer sealer. I am gonna show you how to mix it to mix this primer so it can become a sealer. All right, let's just mix it up. The way you mix it to become a primer, it's just 4 to 1. Now, I'm gonna mix it as a sealer, so I'm gonna be using 4 parts primer, 1 part catalyst, and 1 part reducer, urethane reducer. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Right there, I got the amount I need. Now I'm gonna go to the 1 and the 1, and that's the way you mix it. And there it is, became a sealer. Let's just pour it on the gun and apply it. Alright, it's been like about 15 minutes that I sprayed the sealer. Now I'm gonna use a tack rag to clean it down, wipe it down before the actual paint comes on. So let me just wipe it down and start applying that paint. Alright, after wiping it down, this is what you get with the tack rag. All of this would have stayed in underneath the paint. So it's a real good thing for you to wipe it down before applying the paint, guys. All right, those are the 3 coats of base. Now that comes clear, and let's just get started. It started to drizzle. I really don't like painting when it's drizzling or when it's raining, but gotta finish this. So let's just go ahead and mix up the clear. The clear I'm gonna be using is from HiQ TC 5300. There you go. It's high solids clear mixed 2-to-1. All the materials that I've been using, the paint, guys, if you haven't tried that HiQ paint, I recommend it. I recommend it because it covers quick. But just tell them Far Away sent you and they'll help you out. So guys, let's just mix it up, start applying that clear. Alright, and this will be it. This will be it for this video. Hope you liked it. Now, let's just finish it up. And subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And this will be it, guys. I hope that you learned something. Thank you. Like always, God bless.